Here's how to play Begin Again by Taylor Swift on guitar. So for the first part of the song, we're going to use 3 chords. The first one is a G major chord where we start on the 3rd fret of the low E string, the 2nd fret of the A string, open, 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 then 3rd fret here on the B and E strings. Then we're going to do a picking pattern where we go like this. So we alternate these. And then we switch to the C major chord, where it's the 3rd fret on the A string and the 2nd fret on the D string, like this. Now the 3rd chord is almost exactly like the G chord, except we're going to start on the A string this time, and this is going to be the new root note. So this is G/B because it's G, but we're starting on the B. And then we go back to C major again. So the entire verse so far is like this. G, switch to C, back to G, except this time with the B, and then back to C. And that's the verse. Now for the chorus of the song, we're going to want to do some strumming. I'm going to start on the C chord. We're going to go like this. I'm going to start on the C chord, and I'm going to go like this. And then I'm going to switch to D major. D major shape is like this. This is open D string, 2nd fret on the G string, 3rd fret on the B string, 2nd fret on the E string. And then I'm going to switch to E minor. E minor is like this. Open E string, 2nd fret, open, open, open. Then I'm going to go back to G. So the first part of the chorus, starting from C major. Now for the second part of the chorus, we're going to start on C again. D major. Now there's a little turnaround in the chorus. It goes like this. E, D, then C. Now the end is C major, D, and then back to G. So the entire chorus goes like this.